She's making dressing.
In this pot, I have chopped up celery, bell pepper, and green onions. And I use the chicken broth to saute it. Then I have a pan of cornbread that I've made. Okay? Peppered farm stuffing. These are my soups. Chicken, cream of chicken, and cream of celery. And this is my chicken chopped up. Since they say chicken and breast, and you should have chicken in it. So now I'm ready to get started. Hopefully get out soon. I'm taking my bread. This bread is that cold. I hate cold ass bread. Putting the bread in here. That's a jar within it, see? Just get the bread in there. Okay. Enough bread for right now. I'm going to pour this soup in here, hoping to get this bread. I'm going to start stirring it. This is kind of hard, but I'm going to mix some bread. And I think I put this farm stuff in. I just threw the whole thing in there. I don't know if I normally do this or not, but I'm doing it now. Okay, so I'm going to start working. Trying to get this bread. And this is why I was telling you that I need to mash it, remember?
Yeah.
I said I need to mash it. Come. Let's start trying to mash up this bread. More bread. Now,
Some cook.
I think I use, oh shit, can of cream of chicken. Cream of chicken. 2 cans of cream of chicken right now.
2 cans of cream of chicken.
You think that's a good thing? 2 cans of cream of chicken, okay. 2 cans of cream of celery.
2 cans of cream of celery. I just want to make sure everybody get it right.
Okay. Cream of celery. I hate when they say healthy. Every time they say healthy, you know it ain't good. Now I'm going to stir some more. Might have to have man. No, I'm not going to stir anymore because it's too thick. I got to go and get some more chicken broth. Don't want to use too much broth to get it too soupy, but I'm sure I won't do that right now. Okay. Now I'm going to put this chicken that I have chopped up in there. There she goes. Now I'm going to use black pepper, but I want to use, actually I want to use the heavy black pepper so it comes out bigger.
Heavy black pepper?
Well,